In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Smartsheet to Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in your browser, and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to use Smartsheet. Once Teams is open, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Apps. This is where Teams lets you discover and install tools that connect with your workspace. And it's the place you'll use anytime you want to add a new integration. After that, go to the search bar within the app section and type in Smartsheet. As the results appear, find the official Smartsheet app and open its listing. Before installing anything, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct app so you know you're connecting the right service inside Teams. Next, install or add the Smartsheet app. Depending on your version of Teams and your organization's settings, you may see a button labeled Add, Open, or Install. Click the available option to continue. If your company manages app permissions centrally, the setup may look slightly different, but the overall process is the same. Once the app is added, you'll be prompted to sign in to Smartsheet. Enter your account credentials, and continue through the sign-in process. You may also be asked to allow certain permissions so that Teams and Smartsheet can work together properly. Read through the permission request, then approve it if everything looks correct. This step is important because it enables the app to display and connect your Smartsheet content within Microsoft Teams. After signing in successfully, choose the Smartsheet item you want to connect. This could be a sheet, report, or dashboard, depending on what you need to share or access in Teams. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct item, especially if you manage several Smartsheet assets, because this helps avoid confusion later. Finally, add that Smartsheet item to the location that makes the most sense for your workflow. You can add it as a tab in Teams for quick access, connect it to a specific channel so your team can collaborate around it, or use it as part of a notification setup if you want updates to appear automatically. Choose the option that best matches how your team works, then complete the setup. Once everything is in place, your Smartsheet content will be available directly